The sun was just beginning to shine through the kitchen window when 8-year-old Mia tiptoed out of her bedroom.
Mom works so hard every day. Today, I want to make her smile.
Holding her favorite stuffed bunny, she walked into the kitchen and climbed onto a small step stool.
Good morning, Mia. Why are you awake so early?
Shh! It's a surprise! I want to make breakfast for Mom.
That's a lovely idea. What do you want to make?
Pancakes, scrambled eggs, toast, and orange juice.
That sounds like a restaurant menu.
Because Mom deserves the best breakfast ever.
I'll stay nearby to keep everything safe, but you'll be the little chef.
Chef Mia is ready.
Excuse me, chef. May I order one happy breakfast?
Coming right up.
Upstairs, Mom was still asleep, completely unaware that her little daughter was secretly planning the sweetest surprise of the day.
The kitchen smelled warm and sweet as Mia carefully mixed the pancake batter. She held the whisk with both hands and stirred with all her strength.
Slowly, Chef Mia. The bowl isn't running away.
I want the pancakes to be fluffy like clouds.
Then keep mixing gently.
Oops!
Every great chef makes little messes. Time to flip!
Did I ruin it?
Nope. It's just doing a funny dance.
That's how toast says hello.
Pancakes, juice, perfect.
Your mom is going to have the happiest morning ever.
Mia looked proudly at the tray and hugged her little stuffed bunny for good luck before placing it safely on the counter.
The scrambled eggs.
Ready, little chef?
Ready.
She whisked the eggs until they looked smooth and sunny yellow. Dad carefully turned on the stove while Mia slowly poured the mixture in the pan.
Now keep stirring.
They look like yellow clouds.
Exactly.
Oh no! Mom won't like spicy eggs.
Problem solved.
Phew.
She folded a colorful napkin into the shape of flour and added it to the tray. Finally, she placed a tiny handwritten heart card beside the plate.
That's the best ingredient of all.
Together, they quietly carried the breakfast tray upstairs. Every step had to be slow. The orange juice gently wobbled.
Steady.
I'm trying. Do you think Mom is awake?
Still sleeping.
Good morning, Mommy.
What is all this?
Breakfast made with extra love.
Did you really make this?
Chef Mia worked very hard.
This is the sweetest surprise I've ever received.
because you deserve it every day.
Delicious.
Really? Absolutely.
These might be the best scrambled eggs in the neighborhood.
I'm keeping this forever.
Then whenever you see it, you'll remember today.
I never need expensive gifts. Time with my family is the greatest treasure.
To Chef Mia.
To the best mom in the whole world.
From that day on, Mia learned that even a simple homemade breakfast prepared with love and kindness could become a memory that a family would cherish forever.